What's up, everyone? Today I have here my flat hose soaker. This is the 75-foot one. I'm going to show you how easy it is to connect it and put it in your garden bed. Just that way you can conserve water and hit your plants with just the right amount of water without leaving any indents in the soil. So let me show you how easy this thing is to install. So you're just going to weave it to anywhere that you want the soaker hose to go. Try and hit all my plants up here. Try and get it in between these ones. Maybe make a spot around here. The 75-foot one is a great length. You're going to be able to cover a lot of square footage with this. It's really nice and simple. So this soaker hose is great to get like a even irrigation. Like I said, it also helps conserve water, and it's great for weed control. That way you're not watering your weeds, you're actually watering your plants. It also helps with soil erosion prevention, and it just has great flexibility. This soaker hose is a great length, and you can kind of maneuver it wherever you want. All right, so you can see that I wove it around all my plants, everywhere that I wanted water to go. It has a nice cap on here. It looks like you can take this off as well if you needed another soaker hose. You could attach it to here, and you could even get more length on this if you wanted to. But this is just going to go on here to stop water from coming out. And we're just going to tuck this right under here. And then we're going to turn on our hose and see how the water comes out. And with just a little bit of time, you can actually see the water just dripping right out of it. So it's a nice even flow, nice consistency. It's not too much water on there feeding the plants. This is a great soaker hose to get all your plants, all your flowers that you want watered with a nice, easy, consistent flow rate that's not going to totally saturate or oversaturate your soil. If you are looking for a soaker hose, I highly recommend this one. Thanks for watching.